Down here on the Ewing Park Nature Trail. As you can see, the water's behind us here. We found a nice little doe here. And, it's kind of cool because they're used to people by now, so like she ain't real concerned that we're here because nobody's a threat to her. But she's eating some leaves, and we don't see her friend around with us, but there she is.
No. Hard.
She's pretty peaceful. She's a small one. That must be a... She was a fawn not too long ago, if I had to guess. Here we are on the trail. You can see this is the trail here. And just off of here shortly, there she is. Pretty cool when you come walking down here.